when you were skiing is how important focus is. How many people are skiing down a hill going, don't hit a tree, don't hit a tree, don't hit a tree. Guess what happens? And they're surprised by it. Whereas if you are focused on the clubhouse, that's where you're going to go. And that's why you hear me say all the time, where focus goes, energy flows. And your thoughts are the steering wheel to your reality. What you're thinking about the most, if you're mad, if you feel like you're cheated, if you are feeling like a victim, you will never, ever create the life you want.